Hi, I'm Mrs. Dotson, your college and career specialist at Freedom High School. I would like to tell you about the College Board Opportunity Scholarship and Big Future Days. Need help planning for college? Not sure where to begin? College Board wants to help and reward you along the way. The College Board Opportunity Scholarship is awarding multiple $500 scholarships while junior students prepare for college. Complete a task, your name goes into a drawing for $500. Complete another task, your name goes into a drawing for $500. And all of this will help you prepare for college. We've already had one student on our campus win $1,000 just for practicing the SAT. This could be you. So what do you have to do? In order to qualify for this scholarship, you will need to build your college list, practice for the SAT, explore scholarships, and strengthen your college list. All of this can take place during your junior year. Then, during your senior year, you can complete the FAFSA and apply to colleges. For every task that you complete, your name goes into a drawing or a lottery-based system for $500. And there's multiple scholarships available at each task. These scholarships are not based on academics or financial need. They're simply based on completing a task. And the best part is you're preparing for college in your senior year while you are working on these tasks. Complete all 6 and you could have a chance for a $40,000 scholarship. Let's look at this a little more closely. So what will you need to do? Go to opportunity.collegeboard.org, click on Earn Scholarships, sign in, read and scroll through the entire agreement, and then click Agree. Step 1 will be building your college list. There's a Start button. We'll come back to that in just a moment. Let's look at everything else, and then I'll give you a step-by-step instruction of how to build the college list. Step 2 would be practicing for the SAT. Again, this is something you can work on now, but we'll come back to it later. You would simply click on Go Practice. Step 3, explore scholarships. This will be due by July of 2021. Step 4, strengthen your college list. Again, this will be due by 2021. Then step 5 will be completed during your senior year. That would be completing the FAFSA. The FAFSA is the free application for federal student aid. You could be awarded up to $6,000 in grant money. That is free money that you do not have to pay back. Even if you don't qualify, because it is based on financial need, you could qualify for $500. Even if it's $500, that's money you don't have to pay back that you can use for college. So everybody will complete this in October of your senior year, and I'll be there to help you through it and walk you through step by step of the FAFSA. That would be step 5 of the Opportunity Scholarship. We'll work on that in October. Step 6 will be applying to colleges. Again, this is something you will do during your senior year. September, October are when the applications open up. I'll be glad to help you with that as well. Complete those college applications, come back to the Opportunity Scholarship and check that off. If you complete all 6 tasks, then you have completed your journey and you'll have a chance to win $40,000. All right, let's get started with the Opportunity Scholarship. Step 1, build your college list. Go back to the Build Your College List and click on Start Now. You should get to this screen that has several categories on the left-hand side. Go through a few of those categories and select some of the options. So for instance, if you look at type of school, do you want a 2-year college or a 4-year university? Do you want a public university, private, or for profit? Public university would be similar to like Freedom High School. It is funded by the government. So a public university is funded by the government. A private university is funded by tuition and donations. And for profit, their main goal is to make money. They will give you an education along the way, but their goal is to make money. So you can select public, private, or for profit. Then you can go through a few of the other categories and answer questions. The more questions you answer, the more detailed your college list will be. It will match what you're interested in more closely. So answer as many questions as possible so that you can find colleges that match what you are interested in. As you answer questions to the categories listed, colleges populate in the back. You may have 5 colleges or you may have 500 colleges that are populated. It's all based on the categories and the questions that you answered. So look at all of the colleges and select one. When you select one of the colleges, you see several tabs on the left-hand side. Each of those tabs offers different information about the university. Then once you select the category on the left, more tabs will populate horizontally. So you can look at even more details. So for instance, if you are looking at applying, then that would give you the GPA that's required for that particular college. You can also look at the SAT or ACT score required for that college. So lots of great information on this website. So definitely spend some time looking at all of the information. For example, if I have UCF pulled up and I'm interested in knowing how much it costs to go to UCF, I would click on Paying, and I can see the total cost for the year would be $22,298 if I lived on campus. Yes, that is quite a bit of money, but there is some ways to earn money for college. One would be the FAFSA. Everybody's going to complete that in October of their senior year to see what you qualify for. The other is the Bright Future Scholarship. If you look at the tuition and fees line for public universities in the state of Florida, and you qualify for the Bright Future Scholarship, that could cover that tuition and fees for a public university in the state of Florida. So it's time to start focusing on those grades, those test scores, and community service hours. Bright Futures is just one scholarship that's available for college. There are lots of scholarships out there, and remember, that's actually step 3 of the Opportunity Scholarship. So the college you're looking at looks pretty good. You want to come back and look at it again later. So you click on the blue button in the top right corner that says Add to My List. When you click Add to My List, it will save it to your College Board account. So every time you come back in, you will see that list and you can update it and you can improve it, but it will stay there as long as you're logged in. You can also notice on the right-hand side, another college is populated. You can click on that college to move it to the at a glance location, or if you already know you're interested in that college, click on the blue ribbon and it will save it to your list. If you click on the X, it will delete the college. And you'll just continue this process until you get a list of colleges that you're interested in. You can come back anytime, adjust the categories, different colleges will populate. And this will be the first step of the Opportunity Scholarship. You need to get at least 6 colleges added to your list. When you've added 6 colleges to your college list, then a check mark should appear on the Opportunity Scholarship list there where those circles are. Then you can move on to practicing for the SAT and so forth. As a reminder, all of the green arrows can be completed during your junior year, and then the blue arrows will be completed during your senior year. So congratulations on getting started on the Opportunity Scholarship. The other thing that College Board is offering is Big Future Days Virtual College Fair. You can go to cb.org/BigFutureDays and notice that there are 4 different events that they're having. You can look at the color-coded region on the map, and if you're interested in finding out information about colleges in that particular location, then you'll register for that region. The times and dates are posted here, so look at those and see which one you're interested in. If you'd like to look at Florida colleges, that's going to be on February 23rd from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. But lots of great opportunities. Yes, you can certainly read about information on the list we just created, but this virtual college fair will allow you to hear from people, the college admissions representatives, so you actually get to hear more details about the college. And then also college students will be available. They'll be sharing what it's like to be on the campus and in the classrooms, and what campus life is like. It does give you the opportunity to ask questions, and it's just a great way to see information about colleges all across the U.S. So I hope you'll take advantage of this opportunity for the Big Future Days Virtual College Fair. You can register at the website listed above. You click on Sign Me Up Now. You'll fill out just a little bit of information about yourself and include your contact information. That way they will be able to send you the virtual link for the virtual college fair. So take some time, answer those questions, and be sure to register for one of the Big Future Days virtual college fairs. I have shared information with you about the Opportunity Scholarship, a chance for you to win $500 based on a lottery system, not based on academics or financial need. So this would be a great way for you to plan and be prepared for August of your senior year. You can create that college list, practice for the SAT, search for scholarships, and then revise that college list. And you will be ready for your senior year, taking those next steps. I am Mrs. Dotson, College and Career Specialist. I am available to assist you guys if you need help with anything, so please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I look forward to helping you plan your future. Thanks.